What attracted me to personal injury law was the ability to work closely with accident victims, give them the representation they need, being a friend and a counselor to them, and to help them through a part of their life that's been very difficult and traumatic for them. The firm's main mission is to make our clients whole. People come to Campson & Campson because we get once-in-a-lifetime results every day.
My son was in school and he had an accident and he had to go to the hospital. Usually with the Board of Education, you fill out a blue card if something tragically happens to the child. They were instructed that if something happens, take him straight to the hospital. They didn't take him to the hospital, they called me and had him sitting with his mouth hanging open till I reached the school. I had never had a situation where I needed to use an attorney, so meeting Campson & Campson for the first time, I felt very comfortable and convinced. Instantly, he felt like family. I've recommended him and will continue to recommend him. I let them all know that you better call Paul.
I went to buy some groceries and my foot went inside a crack on the sidewalk. It was a tragic moment for me. I couldn't walk properly. Eventually, I had to go to the emergency room. It was kind of scary, it was. I wouldn't wish this on my enemy. It was meant to be, to have Paul Canton take my case. I was very comfortable with him. I would recommend Paul. If you have any question, you can ask him any question you want. He'll talk to you and talk to you until you feel comfortable. Paul, he's a fighter. If you're looking for an attorney, better call Paul. He'll fight for you to the very end.
Empathy is a huge part of the personal injury practice. If you can't relate to your client, then you can't relate to a jury on behalf of your client. You can't adequately represent them. Accidents happen to everyone, regardless of their socioeconomic status. Anyone at any time could be injured in an accident. And when that happens, they want reassurance, they want a strong representative, and they want someone who's going to stand up for them against insurance companies and bullies. They want to be heard and they want justice, and I get them justice. If you've been injured, you better call Paul.